Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on another XXE lab in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. This time it's exploiting blind XXE to retrieve data via error messages. So check stock, does not display the results, trigger an error message that gets the contents of XXE password. We have a exploit server where we can host the malicious DTD. Sweet. All right. Well, let's get started. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. I would appreciate that. So we need to host an external DTD, and DTD, I think I said it wrong in one of the previous videos. Should be document type definition. Anyway, so we've got the error-based exfil, which is what we're looking to do, and we're looking to get the XXE password. So we're going to use this one. Pretty much exactly the same as we did it in the previous or yesterday's video. We're just going to replace that DTD with this one and then call it. This establishes, again, three parameter entities: a file with the contents of the file, an eval with the contents that define another parameter entity named error. This one tries to get the contents of a file that does not exist and uses the contents of file as an extra path parameter. And then we execute eval and then execute the error. All right, sweet. So let's go to here and here, XXE with data retrieval via error messages. XXE with data retrieval via Vim. XXE with data retrieval via error messages .py. All right, let's grab this one. And we're just going to copy everything here. We'll close this just so I don't make a mistake and leave it open. And I'm going to delete to here. Do I want to do that? What if I just change this to XXE change word password? And then instead of HTTP here, I do file does not exist slash file remove this, and that looks pretty good. So we got file defined, we're using eval and exfiltrate, but everything else looks fine. And we're using the file scheme. Eval, exfiltrate. Yeah, that looks good to me. Okay, so we don't need this here. We can get that here. We're going to post this DTD file path, MindDTD. We're going to post this DTD to the exploit server with the file path. And then we're going to reference that here as a parameter entity and execute it. I'm thinking that's it, except for this part. I don't think we have to do that. Yeah, no submit solution. We're going to post it. So we don't need this, this. We can print resp.text just to see what it looks like. But I think we have it solved. Let's comment out that. And Python XXE with data retrieval. Your error messages. We'll copy this. Paste that. We should be good to go. Let's send it. Did not work. So let's see how 20% file. Etsy pass WD. Do I have that part right? Etsy pass. Oh. Should have noticed it right there. All right. Well, that was a dumb mistake. And there we go. Woohoo! We've got the Etsy pass WD file right there. Sweet. All right. Well, this lab is solved. Super simple. We used the same script that we did yesterday that defined an external DTD or document type. Just I can't remember. Anyway, with three parameter entities: file, eval, and exfiltrate. File got the contents of the Etsy pass WD file. Eval created another definition for a parameter entity named exfiltrate, and this guy got the contents of a file that does not exist, along with the contents of Etsy pass WD as a path parameter. And then we executed the eval, so it defined the exfiltrate, and then we executed the exfiltrate to cause that error. The error was printed to us in the response of our request when we included the external DTD in the XML of that request. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.